This was supposed to be day 3 of my hike to Petra, but unfortunately I can't find any water out here in the desert. So I'm gonna head back to the first campsite tonight, and then I'll have to find a different way to Petra. Not that bad of a view though.
Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
Never been so happy to see a broken pipe.
Heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Mama put my guns in the ground.